Smart glass can be installed anywhere that ordinary glass can be. But the question is, how to connect and hide the wires? Watch this video now to learn about our clever and discreet wiring solutions for everything from fixed glass to sliding doors. Fixed glass wall. Typically, a fixed smart glass wall is installed inside of aluminum channels on the top and bottom. To do so, the glass is lifted inside of the top channel and then pulled down and rested on the setting blocks. In this scenario, the wires are located on the top, where there is about 1 inch of space that can be used to run the wires. Smart film on fixed glass. If the glass has already been installed, you won't be able to use a U-channel for wiring. But no worries. You can use an L-shaped channel to hide the bus bar and wires and seal the edges with silicone. Race channels. Race channels are designed for cable management, and we often use them to hide wires when installing smart film. It is important to leave a gap between the frame and the smart film so that the cable channels are attached to both the glass and film to ensure proper adhesion. We drilled holes inside of the cable channels, ran the wires through, connected everything, and attached the cover. To run the wires to the installation area, you can use the same channel cables or use flat wires. Cover it with tape and paint the tape to match the finished color. Glass stops. With a wooden frame, you can hide everything behind glass stops to achieve a seamless and clean look. Frameless glass door. Each connection design is based on your specific door hardware. Usually bus bars are located on the top and covered with the C-channel, and connection is done by using a wire loop. Our special wires have metal and silicon jacks that can be bent over 1 million times. Plus, they look stylish. Smart glass inside the frame. There are multiple options for smart glass doors with a frame. Our mini power loop has a thickness of less than 1/4 of an inch and can be used to connect operable doors and windows by mounting it on top and inside of the frame. Magnetic connectors allow you to switch the glass on and off when the door is closed. A third option is power transfer hinges. Here is an example of a power transfer hinge that allows you to run wires from the frame to the door. It is quite expensive, running at around $400 a piece. Frameless sliding door. Smart glass and film are the perfect solution for covering sliding doors where other window treatments simply do not work. We offer wiring as an add-on for existing hardware and premium sliding doors where the wire harness is hidden inside of specially designed frame and travels along the track. This door can also be combined with side lights on one or both sides and double doors. The fixed panel wiring connection is completely concealed inside on top of the U-channel. The same concept can be used for the corner installation to make the space wide open and convenient. Framed sliding doors. The right wiring choice for folding and sliding doors depends on the specific hardware, but the wire harness, magnetic connectors, and power loops are all great options. A wire harness can work with any existing sliding door. Magnetic connectors can be used to transfer power from the frame to the door. Here is a housing that has been designed specifically for magnetic connectors. As you can see, when the door reaches a specific point, magnets are connected to conduct electric current. Mullions. To do wiring on mullions, you must run a daisy chain from one panel to another. In this example, the top of the frame marked with red was the optimum location to run the flat wire connection. Another option is to drill the frame, as you can see here. Conclusion. Smart glass is an amazingly versatile product, and our innovative wiring solutions make it easy to install smart glass and enjoy privacy on demand. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.